Hi everyone, good morning. This is our second day dito sa Maravilla Beach dito sa Tabuelan. And it's already 7:13 in the morning. Nagising na po yung mga kasama namin. Si Jomar, si Cristel at si Joyce. Si Judith tulog pa rin. Do you wanna check her out? By the way, this is our room. Mamaya na lang po yung room tour kasi it's so messy inside. This is their CR pala guys. Ito yung shower area nila. And it's currently gated. I think you need to pay somebody before gamitin yung CR nila. Over there is where we ordered the drinks namin kagabi. Puntahan natin sina Cristel. Morning, Tal. So she's gonna go back to retreat. Ito po yung vibes ngayon dito sa Tabuelan, Maravilla Beach during the morning time. It's already high tide. Si Jomar at si Joy, I think they're over there. Si Cristel bumalik siya kasi mag-change muna siya. And this is where we're at the moment. This is where we're staying. That's the resort. Mag-swimming muna kami and I'll see you later. After namin mag-swimming, we're gonna go find a place where to have breakfast. See you later.
Much later.
Currently having breakfast at ito po yung pagkain namin ngayon. So we have corned beef,
Wanna get
eggs,
one?
and pancit canton. Judith, anong flavor ng pancit canton?
Calamansi.
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 Oh.
Siya ang flavor.
Okay, siya yung nag-mix
Pretty
ng
pa rin.
pancit canton.
Pretty pa rin.
Paano mag-mix ng pancit canton dyan?
You'll just have to dip.
Ilagay ko lang ang contacts niya guys.
Dip.
Dip the fork.
So share
And
your
then-
secret.
Nasa description po ang instruction kung paano mag-mix ng pancit canton. Pati ang contacts ni Joy in case kailangan niya ng mixer.
$5 per hour.
Hello.
Hi, Dewan.
That's it, bitches.
Yamanin. Hi, Dewan. Siya yung una nagising sa amin.
Hindi ako nakatulog.
Bakit?
Ang init ng room.
Time check is already 8:15 in the morning. Kumakain na sila. Morning breakfast. Ito po itsura ng basketball court nila dito. Nandito na lahat guys. Yung
Pancit canton.
church nila, the barangay hall, and the health center. This is our table.
Ay, lahi ng gulong.
Let's eat.
Import, diba?
Tara! So kakatapos na namin mag-breakfast and now we're gonna go to the beach because it's already high tide at nakapag-apply na po kami ng sunscreen. That's the best thing to do before going to the water. You have to apply sun protection. Meron pala silang pinitig.
25.
Kare. Kiri ang 25.
Ang pinitig yata
Oh,
kila.
kada mo ni chocolate.
Ako ang 25.
Pinitig.
Kari 35 na ano.
35. Unsa na
Wala
flavor?
man nila mi.
Orange.
Pinitig na lang.
Hindi, orange.
Ready go.
Flavored. Kanina lang, pinipig na lang ko. Pining ko na. Ikaw, Judith. Ay, Judith. Joy.
Pila tanan? Pila na to? 200?
Imo pat.
Pila ni?
35 daw.
Pila ni? 25.
Ah, 25.
Kari mag
50. O pat. Baka ganahan siya pinipig. We got our very own pinipig. Uy, may binili kami doon sa Luluan na pinipig din, but we didn't touch it yet. Ganito din. Ice din. Sabi na ako, ang brand niya ay Alice. Nalimutan.
Ice din.
Goodie. Ice cream.
Ice cream tayo.
In the morning, pagkatapos mag-breakfast.
Ice cream pagkatapos magkape.
Wait, kunin ko yung phone muna.
Malayo, uy. Ay, babaw ang phone.
Saan yun nilagay? Ah, nandito oh. Ito na lang oh. Ah,
Para ma-sponsor ka.
wait, ang mga tiil. Uy, naku, yung
Sige pa dito.
Mas batik ka.
Yung ano?
Oh my god, this is the third apply of the sunscreen.
Yes.
Hello.
I want to be protected because no one will protect me but myself.
Only I can protect
Only
myself.
Hashtag independent woman. Lesson learned, guys.
Lesson learned.
Lesson number 1.
Protect yourself.
Protect yourself because
Lesson
no one will
number
protect it like you do. Like
Oh.
you can.
Wala mo nagdala tayong, no?
Pagdala mo. No, we're not chan-chan. Luto ako na sa tubig.
Let's go to the beach.
Masarap ba? Masarap.
Ako.
Masarap. Masarap.
Dali.
Wow, with sound. ASMR, go.
Ow. No. Nagpapalaway. Are you craving for pinipig?
ASMR.
Ew. Not inviting. Unit.
ASMR.
How do you
Eat. How do you eat? Your food. ASMR. Ay, dapat siya ang magkuan. Oh no! Tumatapag si Judith. Hindi na ko
Oh my god.
Marian. Is the king.
Uy, paano nila?
Ganyan.
Look perfect. They're still eating.
By the way guys, paano nyo para sa TikTok si Crystal?
What's your username?
Oh my god, pinapahirapan ako. So, screenshot ko pa.
What's your username sa TikTok? What's your username sa TikTok?
Spat with daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Omar. Don't
Oh.
follow.
Ano, dapat ka kay ibot na para ma-edit.
Omar, don't follow please.
At follow nyo pala si camera woman namin, si Joy. Dapat naka-steady. Down.
If you want life-changing na mga content, then wag sa account namin.
Follow my
Uy, si Christian is iyang ipang-unfollow ni follow ko niya iyang magiging kay it's not for friends daw, it's for the kuan daw, legit followers.
Hindi ka pala legit.
Oh, hindi ko legit. Ba't niya inubos yung ice cream?
Hindi na siya maabot.
Basura, day.
Ay, awesome. You should keep it, man.
Environment friendly. Kaya nga dito natin ikikip para itapo natin mamaya. Uy,
Hindi po lang.
dali niya sa data.
Bili lang akong chinelas.
Dagan dit para na kay content. Para na kay content dit. Go dit. Go dit. Oh, amo ang paan, supermodel.
Supermodel. Now sa supermodel ba?
Dit, turn.
Turn.
Turn. Oh, perfect!
Sakang head turner.
Si Jason Momoa. Good dive daw, dive. Dive, yun. Kapoy na pag-video.
Kailangan ko ng perfect shot guys. Ulit-ulitin natin.
Balik, hindi perfect. We're here in the sea.
Naku, ano ba yan?
And is the seaweed.
A starfish!
Oh, perfect.
Perfect dive. Perfect diver.
Oh. Dapat pretty. Ato ba?
Proof! Follow me in Colon.
Ano? Uy, dili na ako. Anong ginagawa mo?
I'm currently
ako
editing some videos. Oh my god, yung cellphone. Cellphone ni Jomar yung gamit ko ngayon. So at least,
For what?
this is for reals. Ako ng video. So at least we have a sneak peek of our Abuelan getaway. May patip-tip pa si Judith. Tingnan nyo. Ganito lang daw. If you're caught in the middle of the storm. Ano yung advice mo, Judith? If you're caught in the middle of the typhoon.
Bahala kayo sa buhay. Malunod ang dapat malunod.
Sabi ko sa inyo, life-changing advice. Follow nyo sila.
Guys, babalik na kami. Magsa-swimming muna. And we'll give you an update later. For the meantime, enjoy this beautiful view. View ay hindi pala beautiful. See you in a bit. Let's swim.
Swim.
Kakatapos namin mag-swimming at magbanlaw. And before that, I promise you that I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room kung saan kami nag-stay dito sa Hayahay. So this is our room, room number 2. It's called single room, good for 4 packs for 2,500 pesos. Check-in is at 12 noon and checkout is at 11 a.m. So ito po yung room namin. So we have 2 queen size bed dito sa baba at sa itaas at may aircon sila at meron silang extra bed. And this is the table. And for the towels, you have to pay extra. Ito po yung CR nila. They actually have 2 faucets over here and a toilet. And this is the whole CR and this is the whole room. Ayan. How was your stay?
It's stay full.
Stay full. How about you?
Yes, it's
It's-
good.
Oh.
How was your stay? Yes.
How about you? And you? Yes. Dito sa taas guys, meron silang overview of the place. And over there is the view of the beach. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Balik na tayo sa baba. Ano tayo ngayon sa shoreline area nila one last time. So this is the beach front. Dito kami nag-swimming kanina. Look at that beach. Super ganda talaga. And over here, this is the resort. And over there, there's a couple of resorts. So, yung mga bata din dito, they're currently swimming. Andrew Ruste. Sige. Bye-bye. Oy, Andrew Ruste. Subscribe na. Bye-bye. I'll give you an update later kung nandun na kami sa may labas. And I think I'm gonna end the video there na. See you on the highway.
Mukha lang siya, defined. Cruel and defined, my God.
Nandito na po kami sa Tabuelan Terminal and we're actually in front of Tabuelan Public Market and we're looking for some bread. Gutom na naman tayo ito.
No.
Tent ako. Kanilang tanan?
At ganun o, hopya.
Hopya sa
Lego.
lima. There. 6 lang dahil 6.
And hopya. Oh, meron
Kung sa'yo bago nga ako ano yung
newly baked. Wala pan.
kani?
I got a sun-kissed face.
Ako, kamusta yung mukha ko? Sunog
Ka
ba?
din, sunog ka din. Yana.
Diana's
Yana's
Bake
Bake
Shop.
Shout out.
So bibili kami ng drinks dito sa katabing tindahan. What kind of drinks are you looking for?
Siyempre, Coke.
Yung sa akin, Sprite. Anong oras pa dadaan yung Ceres bus? Nagsayo ba si
Yeah.
Kuya?
No, hindi sinabi ang time. Sorry. I have to wait and wait and wait until maggabi na. Until 12:55.
12:55? Okay.
bag doon.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Ilang minutes pa lang tayo nag-aantay. So, this is our current phase. Fresh tayo ngayon.
Later.
Mamaya, abang yan.
Sun-kissed face. Oh. Mm. Coke. Sa akin yung Sprite.
Koki mo. Hello, oh, yung kay kuan, pero nakakuya.
Dira lang sa... How's the...
Hopya is
Hopya.
hopyaing.
Ano yung flavor niya?
Ube.
We're currently waiting for the Ceres bus. And before anything else, let me give you a tour dito sa plaza nila sa Tabuelan. So this is the main area, or I think this is the town area dito sa Tabuelan. So nandito na po yung public market nila, may mga karinderya, and here is the public terminal. At meron din silang police station. Punta tayo ngayon sa Tabuelan Plaza. So his name is Titi Kasi. I think he was the previous mayor dito sa Tabuelan. Puntahan natin yung river nila. So this is the main square. Ay, vlogging. Hello. Actually guys, nakapunta na kami dito before nung first time namin ni Cristel na makapag-explore ulit dito. So let's go down. This is the river. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go back home. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions, just comment down below, and see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone, and have a great day.